Good morning everyone. So today I am going to start new change, that is fast change and slow change. Fast change, and second I am going to discuss slow change. Slow change. Okay. So today I am going to tell you what is fast change and what is slow change. Okay. Now the word itself says that the change which occur fast, that is termed as fast change. Okay. Or you can say the change which take long time to happen, that is known as the change which takes short time to happen, that is called fast change. And slow change are those changes which take longer period to take that change, that is known as slow change. Okay, a change which occurs in a short time of a short period of time is called fast change. Fast change definition: fast change. What is fast change? A change which occur in short period. A change which occur in short period of time is called fast change. Is called fast change. Okay. A change which occurs in short period of time, that is called fast change. Okay. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को यदि चेंज होने में कम समय लगता है, that is called fast change. I will give you the example also. Example. Okay. Example. When you burn the paper, burning of paper is a fast change. Burning of paper is a fast change. Burning of paper. Burning of paper is a fast change because as you lit the paper, it start burning, and within short period of time, that paper will burn. Okay, so this is the fast change because it take less time to burn. The paper took less time to burn, so this is a fast change. Is that clear? Burning of paper is a fast change. Okay. Breaking of glass is also fast change. Second example, breaking of glass. Breaking of glass. Breaking of glass is a fast change. Suppose, just consider this is the glass with me. Okay, just consider this is not a glass, but I have glass in my hand. Glass. Okay. Now, if I allow to fall it down, what will happen? It will break suddenly. It will break immediately. So the change occur. This change took less time, short period of time to happen. Okay, उसको टूटने में बहुत कम समय लगा है. Breaking of glass को टूटने में बहुत कम समय लगता है, इसलिए जो चेंज हुआ वो बहुत फास्ट हुआ है, इसलिए इसको फास्ट चेंज कहा जाता है. Is that clear? Breaking of glass is a fast change. Clear? Okay. Now moving to slow change. Slow change. Just opposite to this. Just opposite to this. Slow change. Slow change. The change which took longer period of time to happen. The change require longer time to take place. Okay, that is known as slow change. Some changes require longer time to take place. Some changes require longer period. This is very important. Longer period. Some changes require longer period of time to happen. Is called slow change. Is called slow change. जो चेंज आने में ज़्यादा समय लगता हो, that is called slow change. Just opposite to fast change. Example I will give you. Okay, changing of wood to coal. It takes millions of years. Formation of coal from wood, changing of wood into coal, it take millions of years. Okay, changing of wood into coal, मतलब wood को coal में बदलने के लिए it takes millions of years. It takes millions of years. So this change take longer period of time. This change take longer period of time to happen. So it is called a slow change. This is the example of slow change. Changing of wood into coal. लकड़े में से कोयला होने में मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर लगते हैं, तो ये चेंज होने में समय ज़्यादा लगा, longer period. So it is called a slow change. Okay. Another example. Second example, the aging of human body. The aging of human body. The aging of human body, it takes longer period of time. Okay, इंसान की जब उम्र बढ़ती है, छोटा बच्चा होता है और बूढ़े होने में इसको it takes long time. So it is a again slow change. Okay, the aging of human body from childhood to old age. From childhood to old age, it takes long time to happen. So this is termed as slow change. Is that clear? Understood everyone? All right. Next we have reversible change. Reversible change. reversible change. What is reversible change? A change which can be reversed. A change that can be reversed. Is called reversible change. Is called reversible change. A change that can be reversed. ऐसा जो चेंज जो वापिस हम उसको ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में ला सके उसको बोलते हैं रिवर्सिबल चेंज. एग्जाम्पल I will give you. You will understand from this example only. Water changing of water into ice. Changing of water into ice. Okay, this is a reversible change. Or you can say ice change into water. Both the things possible. Reverse is possible here. Changing water can change into ice, and ice again can be changed into water. Okay, ice you can change into water, ice into water, ice into water when you heat it. On heating you can bring ice into water, and on freezing you can bring water into ice form, or you can say by cooling it. So by cooling you can bring water into ice, and by heating you can bring ice into water. So here you can see reverse is possible. Ice to water and water to ice. Okay, ice into water, okay, and water into ice. So this is a reversible change. Okay, the change which can be reversed. Is known as reversible change. Is that clear? So if you heat water, if you heat ice, it will change into water. Again, if you cool water, it will change into ice. So this change is a reversible change. All right.